Hello students, welcome to all. Today we are going to see the quiz number 7 in general knowledge. Okay, let's start the class from the literature. The literature, the first part is that explain the following expression. We are going to explain the expressions what they are gave. The first one is the by hook or crook I shall have it. The answer is at any cost by fair or foul means. எந்த காரணத்துக்காகவும் நல்லது வழிகள் கெட்ட வழிகள். The second one is that do not shed crocodile tears. Don't shed the crocodile tears. The crocodile tears is the example of the fake one. முதலை கண்ணீர் ஏமாற்று வேலைகளுக்காக சொல்றது. Do not shed crocodile tears. Answer is the hypocritical or fake fears. Third one is you can have it by all means. The certainly. Fourth one is to move heaven and earth. Answer is to make all efforts. If you move that heaven and earth, you should give your efforts very hardly. Give all your efforts, then only you have to move. That to make all efforts. To pull together. Answer is work together. If you want to pull together means if you want to pull something means all the hands are joined together. It is easy to pull. It's a work together. Daredevil. Daredevil is a fearless and reckless. Reckless means பொறுப்பற்ற. Fearless means பயம் இல்லாதது. Mathematics and science. Identify the brackets from the illustrations and name them. First one, they gave the three types of brackets. We are going to naming the brackets. The first one is a box bracket. It's like a box. It's like a box and the we cannot call it as a box bracket. We should call it a square bracket. And the second one is the brace. இதில் வந்து என்ன கொஞ்சம் அப்படி வளைஞ்சிருக்கும். It's a brace bracket. And the third one is the round bracket. It is in the round shape, so it's a round bracket. The science. Identify the following laboratory apparatus in the pictures. We are going to identify that. It is a vessel is used to distill the substance from the vessel to another one. It had some pipe on it, so it is to change for the substance this to another vessel. So name of this is retort. Name of the vessel is retort. And the second one is also that vessel. It is a round shape. The bottom of the vessel is the round shape, and we call it as a round bottom flask. And the third one, it is a cylindrical shape one. It is a beaker. It is a cylindrical container with a flat bottom. It is a beaker. It used to measure the substance which we are which we are pour inside it, and it used to pour the substance to another one. It's a beaker. And the fourth one is a burner. It's like a gas stove. It's a kind of gas burner. It's used to laboratory equipment. Single open gas flame. It's a Bunsen burner. And the last one is the funnel. The funnel is used to pour something, the liquid items into it. It will not split it everywhere. So it's a funnel. This funnel is available in that size variation. It has lots of size variation. It is available in the market. The small to biggest one. The funnel. The social studies. The social studies, the first one is the tick the right choice. The first question. The weather of a place remains the dash. Answer is changes from day to day. The weather of a place, it remains changes from day to day. It is not a stable. Like in a 2 degree, it is a stable condition. Every time it is a summer. It's like a summer. But other place like in other countries, it is not the weather climate is not a stable one. It is changes day by day. Sometimes it is a hot sun. It appears a hot sun. Then after the few minutes, rain comes. Like that, the weather condition is changing day every time. So the weather of a place remains it changes from day to day. The second one is a tourist should get information on the climate of the countries he is likely to visit. Yeah, before he visit the tourist, before he visit, he should know the climate condition of that country, the particular country. Then only he can go that country. Before he get arrange something what he need and everything. So he should know the climate condition of the country before he visit. The third one is the well preserved dead bodies of the Egyptian kings are called mummies. You all are know that. You all are very much know that the mummies. About the names, you know that the name mummies. The mummies is the preserved dead body. They preserve the dead bodies with some natural medicines. இயற்கை மூலிகைகளை வச்சு என்ன பண்ணிருப்பாங்க, preserve பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. Used to wrap with some cloths and they kept in the pyramid. The fourth one is a trade between two or more foreign countries is called the international trade. The trade வர்த்தகம் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, ஒரு கண்ட்ரிலேருந்து இன்னொரு கண்ட்ரிக்கு பண்ணுறது, அது என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் ட்ரேட். They can sell and buy anything from one country to another country. Fifth one, a society in which majority of people are superstitious and have blind faith in customs is described as a backward society. மூட நம்பிக்கைகள் நிறைஞ்சிருக்கிறது என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா backward society. In the general knowledge, the first one, who is known as the football king? He is a Brazilian football player and he is known as the football king. His name is the Pele, P-E-L-E. The second one is what is the shape of the football ground? The shape of the football ground is a rectangular shape. The shape of the football ground is a rectangular shape. Okay, which is the most musical of Indian birds? What is it? Which bird is used to most of the time it is singing? It's a singing bird. We call it a singing bird. What is that? Quail. Quail and then cuckoo. It's an Asia's quail. Ivory is obtained from the dash. It is a white substance. A white substance. It obtained in the tusk of the elephant and the rhinoceros. The tusk means the tandam. யானை தந்தத்தில் இருக்கும் ivory. The plants get the coloring from the dash present in them. Chlorophyll. The plants get the color, the greenish color. Plants get the greenish colors from the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is a several related green pigments. Chlorophyll means it had the several related green pigments in it. Okay, thank you students for watching this video.